I'm about to start cooking, guys, and I want to take my kids crazy. I'm gonna serve them some cashew nuts so I can start cooking. Guys, we're gonna be having some soup. Let's get started. I have my potatoes here, I have my carrots, and I have my celery here. I have my beef, grounded beef that I brought out, and I have meat broth, the bones from the meat broth that I make. So let's get started. I like to wash my celery like one by one. And one thing is, I love the leaves. I like the leaves I eat on it, so I always put the leaves on my soup. So because we're making a big pot of soup, we're gonna be having all of this, and my meat. I'm not gonna make meatballs today. No meatballs. Just want something simple. Normally I normally make meatballs for this, but the soup is gonna be so aromatic. The aroma is gonna be so. We're having 3 onions here. So we have our extra virgin olive oil here. I'm just gonna add a little because I don't need oil in this recipe, but because I need to brown my onions a little bit, so that's why I'm having oil. ginger, garlic, black pepper, thyme and herbs, rosemary, nutmeg, thyme, hot chili. Salt. So I have my leftover bones yesterday that I want to add to the soup. Trying to get all of them out from the bone so I can put them in the soup. Like I said, there's beef soup. I couldn't bake a bread today because I'm like, I have old bread at home, and before I throw it away, I can make good use of it. Now that is the reason why I did not prepare fresh bread.
But what is there?
The bread I'm putting, as we're going to make gingerbread on that. Can you please take a video of this? Thank you. But you know I'm busy. You don't really have to say it into my video.
So, what are you doing? Garlic bread?
Yep.
Garlic bread.
full of fresh herbs. Basically, everybody now like garlic bread in my home. Who wouldn't like a garlic bread? And this is the one that crunch. This is the one that crunch, very crunchy because the bread is a bit dry. It's a bit dry. What a nice feeling. Look at that. So we're gonna slow bake that. Soup is ready. Guys, look at that. So gonna be so crunchy. It's gonna be so crunchy. Get your finger off. And soup is also ready, by the way. I've already offered. Look at that. No, I said I was not gonna do it, but that is gonna take extra time.